Hi, it's Sandra, and today I want to show you some products from Born Pretty. I have three things. I have the metal painting gel, and I have a top coat and a base coat from Born Pretty. Now I have tried this top coat and it's extremely shiny, so I really like it. I'm really surprised though that I did not realize that Born Pretty had such big containers. So it's kind of cool because this one is just, it's called a super top coat and it's really shiny. Okay. So what I did was I did my three nails, I put the base coat on, and now what I'm going to do is I actually selected two colors of Born Pretty that I'm going to use, and this one is 06 and this one's 04, and it's kind of a peach and a lavender. So I'm going to put that on two of them. Oh, these are the jelly ones. All right, let me see if this one's a jelly one. Yeah, let me get some different ones because you're not going to be able to see the top coat as well. Okay, so I got some colors that weren't jelly. So I have 05. Let's put that on. And 04. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this metal painting gel. Okay. I don't actually know what kind of brush you're supposed to use for these, but I'm going to use this one. That turned out really cool. Get this blob off of here. Okay, I'm going to stick this under the light. Okay, let's give these a second coat. This one still looks like it's a little bit of a sheer polish, but that's okay. All right. I put this under the light again. All right, so let's do this top coat, this super top coat, and I want to show you how shiny this is. So there we go. Like I said, it's harder to see on the more jelly kind of polish, but it does show up. It definitely shows up. It's just very, very shiny. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it really adds a cool shine to your nails. Okay, I'm going to put it under the light. All right, and there you go. I think that this gel top coat is really nice. I really like it. It's probably the shiniest top coat that I've ever dealt with. And it just is, it really shows up, and it's very hard to see on camera. But if you order their top coat, the super top coat, I'm going to show it to you again. I don't think you're going to be disappointed. So here's the bottle. Let me back out a little bit. And these are 0.5 fluid ounces or 15 milliliters. And their normal bottle is 10 milliliters, 0.34 fluid ounces. So you can see the difference in that. So this is a big bottle of top coat, and the base coat is a big bottle of base coat. So thanks again, Born Pretty, for sending me this product. And if you order these, I will definitely put the link at the bottom. And if you order these, I really don't think you're going to be disappointed. And this metal painting gel is really cool too. So thanks for watching.